Hello, Jonathan.
Yes.
Hola, mi amigo. Es Pedro.
Hello.
¿Cómo está, mi amigo?
I'm okay.
Un día más antes de el fin de semana. Un día más. Oh,
That's yes.
yo quiero tomar un bebida de alcohol. Posible un cerveza.
Maybe at when I get off of work.
Right. When you stop work, you have beer, right?
Yes.
You know, my father was an alcoholic. He was a workaholic. Every day he showed up for work drunk.
Oh.
You know, he was.
That's very good.
That's what he told me. He put me on his knee just before he asked me what I wanted for Christmas. He says, "You know something, son?
Okay.
He says my take-home pay ain't enough to take me home." I said, "Dad, come on, you know? I mean, come on. You've told us that joke 1,000 times already." So,
and it's great all the time.
Soy un cómica, no todo el tiempo, pero okay. I'm looking for Bobby. Did he come to work today?
He came to work today, but he just left.
Oh, he did.
Do you have his cell phone?
No, but I got my pen here, so I can write it down. All right, hold on a second, because I'm about ready to cut this lady off in a big Cadillac. All right, perfect. Okay. Yeah, I got my paper. I'm ready. I'm good.
Okay, I gotta get it, though.
Muchas gracias.
Yes, okay.
You're restoring my faith in humanity, Jonathan.
Oh.
Gracias.
Okay.
Gracias para ayudarme.
Okay. 516
516
790
790
5173.
5173.
Yes.
Perfecto.
Okay.
Tiene un buen noche. Nos vemos, mi amigo. Tiene un día.
Thank you.
Okay. Hasta la vista.
Yes.